Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. And today I'm vlogging after a really long time. I just woke up and I was drinking water. So today is actually the 14th of Feb, that is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's to everyone. And yeah, today I wanted to go on a date with myself, but I'm going to have classes. So first I'll go to college, and after my college gets over, I guess I'll go on a date. So I really wanted to go to this lake garden near our place, so I might go there today. So yeah, you guys should stay tuned to see if I will go or not. So I'll see you guys in a while. In the morning I always drink tea, but then like over here we don't have all the ingredients, so I drink this one, butter tea, if you guys can see it. So yeah. For today's breakfast, I'm going to have bread and jam, because I had some leftover bread from yesterday. So yeah. You know, like something has happened to my throat. Like it's like something is there and I can't even swallow properly. Like it's paining. So I'm going to eat these stuffs properly right now. Guys, so finally I'm leaving, and this is my OOTD for today. So I'll see you guys in a while. So I just got on the auto. So I reached the metro station. Usually I go by bus, but then today I'm already running late, so I have to go by metro. So yeah. Rabindra Sadan. Got my ticket. I just got down from the metro, and now I'm heading towards my college. Everything has a drawback, and yeah, even if I come via metro, I need to walk to the college for almost 10 minutes. So yeah, if I had come by bus, direct college को एकदम झाडी दिन्थ्यो, but bus मा आउँदा चाहिँ झन्टिलो हुन्छ, त्यही कारणले. So yeah, I'll meet you guys once I reach the college. So as I was busy texting when I reached the college in the morning, so I forgot to update you guys that I reached the college, and now my college is already over, my classes are over. So now firstly I'm going to go and have lunch. So yeah, let's go. So for lunch every day I eat chola bhatura for eating my lunch. I always drink tea from the other stalls, so let's go. I wanted to buy a rose for myself, and I asked the price of the rose, and that child said that it was 10 rupees, but as soon as the child said that, the mother was like, it's 20 rupees. So I didn't want to buy. After that, I also thought it was so cringe that I would be carrying a rose around with myself. So yeah, I also wanted to buy a balloon, but the balloon I love you लेखिरहेको थियो, त्यही कारण मलाई लाज लाग्यो बोक्नको लागि. त्यही कारणले एक्लै जाँदैछु अब यसरी मेट्रोपट्टि फेरि metro didn't have to get down at Ravindra Sarovar. So yeah, let's go. So I just reached the park and now I'm going to the side where there's slides and swing and all because I want to play. So yeah, I'll show you guys how the park is like later because first let's play. So this is how the park is like and it's so sunny. It's like 28 degrees. So yeah. Actually, there might be a lot of couples here because it's the Valentine's. So yeah. To play and this gate is locked. So yeah, I'm just loitering around. There's the lake, but I don't want to go near the lake because there'll be couples and all. What the hell? Let's go fast. So this is the lake. So I couldn't find the entrance to that archery place. Cricket club pani रहेछ यहाँ हो and the drawback is यहाँदेखि चाहिँ सिधै I can't get to the other side of the lake. So let's see. Actually I came here just to play, but then I couldn't play because it was locked. So let's see if I'll go to the other side of the lake or not. I also need to go early because like my specs चाहिँ like भाँचिएको थियो नि त अनि त्यही कारणले चाहिँ त्यो बनाउन दिइरहेको छु अनि त त्यहाँको अङ्कल चाहिँ दिउँसो लिनु आउनु भनेको थियो 12 बजीतिर, but then it's already 2 o'clock. So yeah, I need to go there also. I'm just sitting near the lake listening to songs. So yeah. So now I'm leaving this place. And then like it's the bar now. From here, like we can see the place I was talking about where we could play. I'm going to show that to you all. We should the luck like this is the slide and there were swings over here. So yeah, bye now. So I just got my spectacles. Just reached home and you guys can finally meet her also after a very long time. So this is it for today's video. Hey, happy Valentine's Day. Same to you. So this is it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and bye. Stay tuned for more videos.